my crafty friends. Thank you for joining me and welcome to my channel. Today I have a little bit of a mixed media project to share with you. The end of last year I was playing in some mixed media and I never got around to sharing it, you know, with the holidays and all of that kind of fun stuff. So I decided that I was going to share it with you guys today. So here it is. And I'll explain what I did. So these are those little tiny canvases from Michaels. Both sizes. You get 2 of these in a pack and you get 4 of these in a pack. This is like an ATC size. And I believe... How big is that one? I think it's a 2x2. Let me get my ruler. And I shall tell you. Yes, it's a 2x2, and this one is a 2.5 by 2.5 by 3.5. So the first thing I did was I painted this little canvas with gesso. I then went over it with some ink sprays by Lindy Stamp Gang. A pink and a blue. I added some handmade paper. I don't know if you guys can see that here, little remnants. I took a piece of my great-grandmother's, oh God, the thing is like 260 years old, Mother Goose book. And I used a piece of that. Here is a, a price tag from the art store on that piece of paper. This is just a little tag that I had in my stash that I inked up, wrinkled, and then heated and to deform it. I added some stickles to actually those are Nouveau drops. I stamped on it. Let's see, what else did I do? I'm trying to think. There's another little piece of that, my grandmother's paper. You can see the little stamp there. That's one of many. Then for this little canvas, I took gelatos and a mousse, and I put that on the little canvas. Then I put a piece of old pattern, like sewing pattern paper. And then over that, I did a crackle medium. And some more of that handmade paper. Again, I stamped on it haphazardly. Antiqued the edges. And then I attached this metal piece, which is just a metal corner. And when I glued it down with gel medium, I then sprinkled 14 karat glass glitter in it, super fine. And so that will tarnish with age, but that is 14 karat glass glitter. Then I took 2 little jump rings and some chain, because I always add chain to my mixed media, to connect this jump ring and add this little Tim Holtz charm, which this little charm looks like it has, I don't know if you guys can get that. It looks like it has like a crocheted type of lace inside. Okay. And then this little frame was actually pink. It's a Prima frame. And I painted it blue and then dry brushed it in white. And inside these are Maggie Holmes stickers. And it says live each day with your whole heart. And I put a little heart there. And then the butterfly I have, this is I do believe it is a Maggie Holmes butterfly. I could be mistaken, but I think it is. And I just coated it in gel medium and diamond dusted it. And I used the little scissor charm, which I got from Renee Bacquet's, as the antenna. And so I'll give you guys a shot of it around the sides so you can see the dimension. And to adhere the frame onto the little, you can even see that handmade paper there. To adhere that, I used E6000. And that it is, and it's signed on the back and on this end as well. And this is going out to a very special friend for an upcoming birthday. And that is my canvas. So thanks everybody for watching. If you're new to my channel, thank you so much for visiting. I hope that you will like and subscribe. And I will see you guys with more projects or hauls soon. Bye-bye. Make a happy memory.